In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create and edit property groups in Hubspot. Property groups help you organize properties in a clean, consistent way, so your team can find the right fields faster when they are viewing records or building forms and workflows. In this walkthrough, you will learn how to create a new group, how to rename an existing one, and how to delete a group you no longer need. To begin, go to your Hubspot account and look at the top navigation bar. Find the settings icon and click it to open your account settings. Once you are in settings, move to the left sidebar menu. Locate the section labeled Objects, then select Properties. This is the area where Hubspot manages the fields or properties that appear across your CRM objects. On the Properties page, look near the top and click the Groups tab. This tab is specifically for managing how properties are grouped together, which can make your property list easier to scan and maintain over time. Now, to create a new property group, go to the top right corner and click Create Group. A small window will appear where you can name the group. Enter a clear, descriptive group name that matches how your team thinks about the data. For example, naming a group based on a process stage or a department can help keep things consistent. After you enter the name, click Save. Your new group will now appear in the list. If you need to edit a group name later, find the group you want to change. Hover your cursor over that group and you will see an Edit option. Click Edit, then rename the group to the updated title you want. Keeping names specific and standardized is a good habit, especially if multiple people manage properties. Finally, if a group is no longer needed, you can remove it. In the row for that group, look to the right side and click Delete. Take a moment to confirm you are deleting the correct group, especially if it is used frequently by your team. That covers everything you need to know.